Trying to figure out how you can profit from the crypto market. It's a question we all ask ourselves every single day. I've been investing in stocks for 30 plus years, been investing for crypto in years now. And it's a question I still ask myself, right? How can I profit more? How can I make more money in crypto? And I also ask myself the same thing in stocks, but we're obviously talking about crypto in this video. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. And I'm going to give you some very, very simple scenarios that you should know about and kind of an idea of how to kind of go about investing in crypto and how you can profit more in the crypto market. So with all that said, thank you for your support. And if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button because I cover crypto with one goal in mind. That's to help you make more money, just navigate the market, give you the news, tell you what's going on. I tell you about individual coins and tokens, but also I talk a lot about the kind of what I call the macro market, meaning like the bigger things that impact all of crypto, etc. So if that's of interest, hit that subscribe. If you're watching this on Twitter, give me a follow. Okay. So right this second, crypto is at $1,111 billion market cap. It's up 0.39 right now. Bitcoin is up on the 24-hour 1%, Ethereum up 1.67. Hey, it's better than being in the red, right? And then but the overall market is really flat right now. And real quickly, I want to shift over, and I haven't even looked at this, so I'm refreshing this. So let me refresh this just to make sure. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So stocks are ticking higher as we await the debt deal. So you're going to see crypto lift as well if we do get this debt deal, basically where the U.S. does not default on their debt. You're going to see that lift. Okay. So that's a good thing. So that's probably what's moving crypto right now is the fact that we are looking at not defaulting on our U.S. debt. That's something that I've been keeping an eye on. Again, that macro factor scenario there for you. Okay. So what I want to shift now is kind of talk about, how to profit more from the crypto market. I'm going to say something very obvious, very black and white up front. You need to buy on the red days and you need to sell on the green days. Most people in crypto do exactly the opposite. They buy on those green FOMO days. They're like, oh my God, Bitcoin is running. I got to get in now. Or Ethereum's running, or insert, crypto coin or token name here. And that's simply, not really the way to do it. Now, if you're talking about like, swing trading and things like that, and you believe that there's some more upside and you're willing to take the risk, and that's fine because we've all done it. I've done it as well. Okay. But if you're looking at more of a long-term investment strategy, got to make sure my hat's back on. Okay. If you're looking at more of a long-term investment strategy, which you can do both, you can have a kind of a long-term strategy. You buy low, you sell high. And then when you're buying that asset, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, whatever it may be, you have a plan. You're like, okay, I'm going to buy now. I'm going to hold. And I want, I have a goal for buying, say, this Cardano, and I want to get a 30% return on my money. If you simply do what I just said to do in the last 20 seconds, you have a plan, you buy, the blue chip assets, and you buy and hold, and you have a plan for it. You want to achieve 30%, 40%, 50% return. And, I bought it today at X. Like let's say it was Cardano. Let's say you bought it today. So you bought Cardano today at 35 cents. Let's say you bought $1,000 worth of Cardano. You're like, okay, I want to make a 30% return on that. So that's 3.5. That's about 7. So 7 cents. That's about 10 cents. So roughly when Cardano hits, say, 45 cents in this scenario, then you'd be like, okay, I'm selling my Cardano because I'm going to get my basis back, and I'm going to generate a 30% profit. If you simply do just that, you will be ahead of the game and ahead of the curve of about 95 to 97+% of the people that invest in crypto. Yes, you heard me right. Most people don't have a plan. They let their emotions take over. And by the way, that's the key, is if you have a plan to buy low, sell high, achieve a certain amount of profit, then you're going to not have emotions take over. You're not going to have emotional trading going on and all that kind of stuff. Okay. Now, if you want to take an additional, lump sum of money and go do some swing trading, or maybe go invest in, the brand new meme coins that are coming out, but you're willing to take that risk and it's a much smaller amount of money, then that's, in my opinion, okay too. I do that as well. I invested in Pepe and Bob and some of these guys that have come out. I've had more winners than losers, but there's been some that were rug pulls and all that kind of stuff. But I was willing to take that risk. But I've also got that core investment over here of Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano and Shiba Inu and Polygon and all that. That's my core investment. And I also have kind of what I call my play money, right? Where I'm just it's just, to me, it's almost like gambling. All right. And if I'm investing in, like, these brand new meme coins that are coming out as an example, right? And so just, this is food for thought. How you can profit from crypto market. Again, kind of finalizing it. Don't buy on the green candle days. If you do, know what you're doing and know that you're gonna, you might become somebody else's exit liquidity, and be willing to take that loss if it does happen. You really should, you really should be buying on the red days, selling on the green days. Have a plan for each asset that you own to make a 30%, 40, whatever the number is for you. Okay. And then but kind of like almost on those core investments, those blue chips, kind of lock up the, buy them, lock up the key, if you will, and just forget about them and look back at them a couple of years from now, and they're going to be doing fantastic because crypto is going to get bigger. It is. And then, go from there. And then if you want to take a little bit of money and go, do some investing in kind of more risky stuff, like all the meme coin stuff that's going on right now, then that's fine too, if you have that risk tolerance. All right. That's what I got. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you. Take care. Bye.